In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Accounts Receivable Report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your Accounts Receivable reports, how to choose the version that fits your needs, and how to adjust the time frame and columns so the information is clear and actionable. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and look to the left-hand navigation menu. Click Reports. This takes you to the main reporting area. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Make sure you're on the Standard tab. This is where QuickBooks keeps the built-in reports most businesses use every day, including Accounts Receivable. Use the search bar on this page and type Accounts Receivable. QuickBooks will suggest relevant options. You'll typically see two main choices: Aging Summary and Aging Detail. The Aging Summary is perfect when you need a quick snapshot of who owes you and how long those balances have been outstanding. It organizes amounts into buckets like current, 130 days, 3160 days, and so on, so you can instantly spot overdue trends. The Aging Detail, on the other hand, drills down into specific invoices and transactions for each customer. Choose this when you're preparing to follow up with customers, reconciling amounts, or researching exactly what makes up a balance. Click the report you want, and QuickBooks will run it for you. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data. Once it appears, the toolbar above the report is where you'll make it yours. First, adjust the report period. Pick a preset like this month, last month, or this quarter, or set a custom date range if you need to focus on a specific time frame. This helps you see either your current exposure or a historical view, depending on what you're trying to answer. Next, customize the columns so the report shows what matters most. You can add or remove fields such as invoice number, due date, terms, customer name, open balance, and other relevant details. If you're using the Aging Detail report, showing invoice and due dates alongside the open balance can make collections calls much smoother. If you prefer a cleaner overview, hide columns you don't need so the totals and aging buckets stand out. That's all there is to it. With reports on the left, the Standard tab selected, a quick search for Accounts Receivable, and a choice between Aging Summary or Aging Detail, you'll have a clear view of what you're owed. Fine-tune the date range and columns in the toolbar to fit your workflow, and you're ready to take action.